rolling easy. We're not in the Easy Garage. We are at the Clay County Lineville car show, and I told you guys I'd do a video on my setup, and here it is. I'm gonna take a, there's the American flag. Let's take a walk through, see what we got. Lots of model kits, lots of loose cars, plenty of the loose cars to buy. This is West Georgia, East Alabama. It's in Clay County, Lineville. You got some cool neighbors selling car parts and whatnot. If you've been to these swap meets, you know what it's like. Some more cars there. More model kits. You got some cool stuff. You got a collection to sell. There's my number. And come around to the other side and see what we got. We got, these are dollar cars here. If you're looking for some dollar cars, so magazines, Barbies, car emblems, signage, all kinds of neat stuff. Matchbox, it's a vintage Matchbox, all of the yesteryear. Here's your 2 for $1. 2 for $1 cars. On vintage package stuff, vintage and limiteds. Here's some super treasure hunts. Come around here, all your Smokey and the Bandit stuff. People here love that. I showed you my red lines I got. And we also have lots of old vintage diecast, black walls, and some miscellaneous black walls. Little different prices there. Okay, like I said, there's my number. We buy collections, and I thought I'd show you a video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to stay easy. Keep on turning them Hot Wheels.